This is part 2 of the Lexus ES330, how to replace the valve cover gasket. This is the valve cover sitting in the front, right in front of the radiator. Now first we're gonna remove the bolts that are holding the coils, disconnect the coils, hit the bolts that are hold the coils with a 10mm socket. Once you remove it, remove the coils, put it to the side. Then there's a bracket sitting on top of the valve cover. It's being held by 2 bolts. Hit those with a special socket, E5. Once you do that, put the bracket to the side. And now you're gonna have access to the bolts that are holding the valve cover. Each side of the valve cover has 4 bolts, 8 bolts in total. Hit those bolts with a 10mm socket, and since you are down there, you can replace the spark plugs also. Why not, right? Once you remove the valve cover, or before you remove when you're about to remove the valve cover, to make it easier for you, hit the valve cover with a mallet, with a rubber mallet or rubber hammer. You're gonna see it in a second. Once you do that, pull up the valve cover, and the procedure is gonna be the same. Remove the oil gasket, put the new one, remove the old rings, gaskets, put the new ones. Before you put the valve cover back on the engine, you have to clean where the valve cover sits on the engine, okay? Once you clean that part, the surface, you're gonna put some seal on the unions of the cover, the engine cover, the corners, the unions right there. And you're about to see right there, there's another connection right there. Right there, there's another curve. Right there, put some seal also. And once you have everything ready to go, pull back the valve cover, and you're all set. When you tie the bolts, try to hit them in some type of sequence, up, down, up, down. This is how you remove the O-ring. With a lock pick, whatever you want to call it. Pick. Sit them like that, facing up. Hit it with the rubber hammer. Don't forget to clean where the oil ring sits. Remove the oil gasket. By the way, it's all toasted. It is toasted. Oh, put the new one. Just to make sure the gasket is not gonna fall while you put the valve cover back on the engine. Put some grease. So it stick to the valve cover. I just want to say thank you for watching. That's the seal that I was talking about. Put it right there. I'm about to show you where to put it. Okay. While I do that, I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it a lot. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you didn't do it. If you have any comments, any questions, anything to say about this video, let me know. Put it in the comment box. Also, let me know what you think about this video. I need the feedback. I need all that, okay? Let me know how I did it. It's always good to know what you think, so put it in the comment box. I want to know all that. I'm here to learn also from you guys. Now make sure that the valve cover sits right. Once you do that, put the bolts. Make sure the bolts, when you put it in, turn it by hand. Make sure they catch the thread after 4 turns, and then you can hit it with the electric gun. Just be careful though, don't put too much torque. You might break the bolt in there. Once you tighten it good enough with the electric gun, you can do it by hand with the ratchet. And make sure it is snug. Just like that. Make sure the O-rings are sitting right. And like I say, since you are down there, replace the spark plugs. Like I said, make sure it is snug. The bolts are snug. That's pretty much it. Like I said, thank you a lot. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I would be nobody if it wasn't for you guys. Like I said, if you have any questions, anything to say about this video, just put it in the comment box. I need to know all that, please. Oh, you thought I was gonna do it with that, right? Psych. No, I'm gonna do it by hand, because if you do it by gun, then you don't wanna fuck it up. Okay, you don't wanna fuck it up. You don't wanna fuck that trick, because oh shit, oh my lord. Okay, once you do it by hand, you know, do it with the ratchet, snug it, make sure it is tight. And again, if you didn't subscribe now. Hit the like button, share the video, and please, I need that feedback. I need to know what you think about these videos, so I can improve and make them better for you. You see all I'm doing right here? Connect the coils, tie the coils. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good day. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Chancalo. And I'll see you in the next one. Alright, that's two.